ChatGPT. Welcome to Tech It's Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 14. In this video, I will show you how to stream games in the Bigo Live application. Before playing the game, make sure you have downloaded that game on your device. Once you're done, open your Bigo Live application. Click on the camera icon in the middle below, and then you will reach this space. Below, you will see the Game Live option here. Swipe or click on it, then click on Choose Games or on the arrows as shown in this video. Select the game you want. Once you select the game, click on it. Now, click on the Go Live button below, and your game live streaming will be started. It will ask you if you would like to open the game. Click on Yes, and it will open the game application. At the top, there are some icons. When you click on it, you will see the chat messages by the viewers. Continue playing the game and go on streaming as much as you want. Then, to end it, click on the icon at the top. Some icons will pop up. Click on that Bigo symbol icon, and it will take you to the previous space. At the top right corner, you will see the power off icon. Click on it, and some options will pop up. Tap on Quit Broadcast to stop this streaming. So, this is how you stream games in the Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.